Welcome back. We're gonna do the weapon key, the crossbow, and the screwdriver today. So first, here's what the weapon key looks like. You can see it. Here's the name. Here's what it looks like when you hold it. Up and then down. Here's the sound when you drop it. Yeah, let's get to item locations. Let's go to number 1. We're now on number 1. Where is the weapon key? So, you have to get the playhouse key and then the cogwheels and then put them on and you'll get the weapon key. This is the first location. Let's go to the second. We're not at the second location. Where's the weapon key? So, we have to get the car key and then you have to open this. And the weapon key is in here. This is the next location. Let's go to the third. Well, we are now on the third location. Where is it? So, you have to go to the microwave here and open this, and there's the weapon key. This is the next location. Let's go to the fourth. We're now at the fourth location. Where is the weapon key? So, you literally have to open this thing here, and you get it. This is the fourth location. Let's go to the last. Well, now at the last location, where is the weapon key? So, we just have to open this thing right here, and it's in here. That's the easiest way ever. Or maybe in the car, or even in the fridge. So that's how to use it. So over here to the weapon safe. Right here. Let's drop this. I need a weapon key. And if we do this, boom, you get a crossbow and some several parts. I need a crossbow. But the crossbow is right here. You can shoot everyone with them. Let me be right back. And this is what the crossbow looks like. Let's do something for a second. So here, you can see, here's what the crossbow looks like. Here's the name of the crossbow. Here's what it looks like when you pick it up and drop it. There. Here's the dropping sounds. Man, I accidentally dropped it in the floor. Whoopsie. There we go. Now, let's do something. Here's what it looks like when you shoot Granny. There it is. But you have to pick the door. There we go. The door got picked. Here's what it looks like shooting at nothing. And here, we're gonna do something. Here's what it looks like if you shoot unlimited ammo. And that's a lot of ammo. Let's do it to Granny. Here we go. You have to shoot something called a screwdriver. There is a screwdriver in the game, but it's way up there. It actually always be there. It's always item location. We have to drop that thing right there. And here it is. Let's do something. Let's do this in the basement. First of all, here's what it looks like. Here's the name. Here's what it looks like when you pick it up. Boom, and then boom. Here's the dropping sounds. Man, Granny. Literally here. Ah, are you kidding me? Let's just use the crossbow. There we go. So here's the first area to go to. The first area to use the screwdriver is over here. Not doing the item location because it doesn't have any item location. You have to break open these things and you'll get an item right here. Like what the padlock key is right here. An item can, but nearly only a key can be in that area. Just a key. Let's go to the next location. I'll be back. Yeah, let's go. The second location is outside. It should be over here. And if we do this, I also need a screwdriver to open this thing. This is only with the extra locks. Come on. There we go. And pull that, and it is a switch. It's actually the switch. Like right there. It unlocked. We also need a padlock code, padlock key, battery, master key, cutting pliers, and hammer. Wow, that's a lot of items. That's it. Bye.